All right, I'm driving over to my friend's Perry's house here. How cool is this? All right. This is my new best friend, Perry.
I was like, what is this beast gonna get here?
How cool is this?
What's up? Happy holidays!
Wow.
Wow.
One more step up.
Wow.
How good is
I
this?
love the red and black.
Is that good?
That is badass.
Are we gonna recreate the delivery? Are we gonna get this right this time? We're gonna recreate this?
We could do this. We could do this.
We can do this without falling off?
Well, this is a new trailer.
Yeah, it's a whole new trailer, a whole new gear. Not too bad, eh?
Not too bad, not too bad. What'd you do with the old one?
Oh, you know. Just like with all of it. You take the good with the bad. You love it?
I love it, dude. I freaking love it. You know the funny thing is, I went to Livermore Porsche after you ordered yours. I was like, huh. Called them up. I said, hey, you got any allocations left? They go, Walnut Creek might have one.
Yeah, no. Not many left in the world.
I know.
This is the last one, baby.
Damn.
How good is this, huh?
Just got it today?
Yeah. Yep, just today. Merry Christmas to everybody.
Merry Christmas.
Woo!
Wow.
So
Wow.
good. So good.
So good.